What up YouTube, it's your boy Anime Specialist. So My Hero Academia episode 3, I think it was a pretty good episode and it set up the next week's episode really good. Sorry if my reviews are late, it's because I had my basketball tournament, my Persona 5, One Piece and Sword Art Online Alternative Gun Gale Online reviews are gonna be late. Also my 7 Deadly Sins review, so stay tuned for that. So like I said, it was a pretty good setup episode for next week's episode. The villains started attacking the heroes. So far we know the powers of 2 villains. One of them can use fire like Todoroki, but his fire is blue, and the other one is can use poisonous gas. I'm almost sure that Todoroki is gonna fight the guy that can use blue fire. I think it's gonna be an exciting fight to watch. And I have another question. The villain Himiko Toga, the girl, I'm wondering what's her quirk. Does she have a quirk? Because we haven't seen nothing about her that says that she has a quirk. So maybe she doesn't have one, but maybe she does. So let me know in the comments down below if you think that she has a quirk. Another thing that we know is there's at least 10 villains that's going to attack the heroes. At the moment, I think there's 7 of them already in the forest, so I'm wondering who are the 3 others. Like I said, I'm really excited about next week's episode because the heroes, at least the students' heroes, train to get their quirks even better, so they'll be ready to fight the villains. And I think it's gonna be an all-out war next episode, so I'm really excited for that. Let's talk a little bit about the heroes because like I said, they were training a lot in this episode. They were training for I think 3 days. That was Midoriya said. So there was a good comparison that one of the teachers said. He said that quirks are like muscles. The more you train them, the better they get, the stronger they get. So that was quite interesting. And each hero were training in a different way because they all have a different quirk. Something that I want to see is Midoriya using One for All at more than 5%. I think it's gonna happen against the muscular guy. So I'm really hyped for this fight. I really want to see Todoroki fight because he was training really hard. The way he was training, alternating with his fire and ice, it was quite interesting. That's why I really like My Hero Academia because yes, they're shonen, yes, there's similarities with other shonens, but at the same time, they're really original, so I really like that. The design of the lizard-like villain, I really like it. It's one of my favorites so far. He has kind of the mask that Stain had, and the red, how do you call it, scarf. And yeah, I really like his design. We don't know what are their quirks yet, but we'll see, I guess, in the next episode or the ones after, because there's gonna be a lot of battles. I don't know who's gonna fight who, but I know Midoriya is gonna fight the muscular guy. Todoroki is gonna fight the guy that can use blue fire. That's all I know. When I say that I know, it's not that I know, it's just that I'm anticipating that they're gonna fight because Midoriya and the muscular guy has similar powers, it seems, and the same thing goes to Todoroki and the guy that can use blue fire. In the episode preview, it seems like the guy, I think his name is Kota, is getting attacked by one of the villains, and this villain I think is the muscular guy. So what I guess is gonna happen is Midoriya is gonna go save him, and that's when they're gonna start to fight because that's what we see in the opening. So I really want to see Midoriya fight because in the opening he was really powering up, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, man, it was a pretty good episode of My Hero Academia to set up next week's episode. Let me know what you thought about this week's episode in the comments down below. I would really like that. I do My Hero Academia every Saturday, or if I don't have the time, I do it on Sunday, so subscribe for that. I do anime news and anime reviews every single week, so like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Anime Specialist out. Peace.